National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a snow squall warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, northern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 9 a.m. At 7:59 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Plainfield to near Merrillville to Westville, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: flash freeze on roads. Intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 259, Interstate 57 between mile markers 316 and 343, Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 150, Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 4, Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 227 and 255. This snow squall will be near Joliet, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, Schererville, Crown Point, and Lockport around 8:05 a.m. Channahon, Hebron, Manhattan, Beecher, and Lake Dalecarli around 8:10 a.m. Lowell, Elwood, and Counts around 8:15 a.m. Peotone around 8:20 a.m. Lamont, Grant Park, and Shelby around 8:30 a.m. Manteno, Will. This is NOAA.